see by my hair, I'm going to take a short flight with my Tarantula X6. I currently have the battery connected without the battery bay door, as I'm using that for something else, and I have a Velcro wire cable tie and an elastic band which I've tied around the legs and crossed over so that it doesn't release. I don't know if you can see that. I do apologize that I am shooting into the sun, but I like the silhouette effect, and currently it's the way my car is parked, and I've got my Xiaomi Yi camera attached to the car pointing in that direction in which I'm going to fly. Okay, let's take a look. This is South Africa, and the winds out here are terrible at time as we are approaching the second half of winter, and the winds do pick up, and August we've got serious winds. So the winds have actually come a little earlier this year. I'm immediately going to switch over into 100% because 100% control rate, because I just know there's no way I'm going to be able to fly in this wind at just 40%. Let's take a look. Let's hope I don't destroy my tarantula. I don't even have it full speed. This is crazy, I love this thing. The Tarantula X6 really fights the wind. But bear in mind, I have done a lot of practice in wind conditions, and I really would not suggest this to anyone, because chances are you are going to destroy your quadcopter. I'm taking a serious chance. But I have confidence in how I am, however, going to drop this now because I don't want to. There we go. That is just a quick demonstration of the kind of wind the Tarantula X6 can handle. I love that. That is crazy. I would chance that with any other quadcopter.